Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to fix Telegram crashing problem, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix Telegram crashing problem, we will go through certain fixes. Now in order to try those fixes, we will be first required to open the settings of our phone, and after opening the settings and not the Telegram app itself, scroll down and you can see there is the apps option available for us just below the battery. Tap on apps and tap on app management at the top of the screen, and on this page guys, at the top of the screen there's a search bar. Search for Telegram and open the Telegram on the system, and over here you can see there is the storage usage button. In order to try our first fix, let's tap on the storage usage, and over here you can try to clear your Telegram cache. It will wipe out the cache memory of the Telegram if it's too much, and that might fix your Telegram crashing problem. And let's go back after you have tried it. If it's still crashing guys, you might want to force stop your Telegram app. You can see there is the force stop button available for us. Tap on it and your Telegram app will be stopped on your phone, and when you open it, the Telegram app will restart itself. And with that being said guys, after restarting, your Telegram app might be fixed of crashing. And this was the second fix which we could try guys. And for the third step, we will be required to open the Play Store of our phone. So open the Play Store and check either there is an update for Telegram or not. To do that, search for Telegram app, and over here you can see guys, after you have searched for Telegram, over here it's available. Over here search for Telegram and you will be on this page where you can see there is the open button available for us. If in your case it had an update button, you'll be required to update your Telegram app guys. And after updating your Telegram app, try rechecking your Telegram app either it's fixed or not. And let's go back, and that being said guys, this was the third fix which we could try on fixing the Telegram caching problem. Now for the last and the fourth, try uninstalling your Telegram app and reinstalling your Telegram app by uninstalling it from your phone by this way, by tapping and holding it on the menu section, or by going to the settings which we had opened earlier. You can see there is the uninstall button over here. Tap on that uninstall button and your Telegram app will be uninstalled on your phone, and again reinstall it on your phone guys and sign into the process. By that way guys, your Telegram will be updated and brand new. With that being done, your Telegram crashing problem might be fixed. And these were the fixes we could try to fix our Telegram crashing problem. And there guys, this is how to fix Telegram crashing problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.